How to perform descaling on your Jura coffee machine. Your first step would be to gather what you need for the process. So before starting, make sure you have the correct descaling solution. You're going to need Jura descaling tablets, fresh water, a large container that's at least 500 ml to 1 liter, and Jura recommends using its official descaling tablets, which are designed specifically for Jura machine. The next step is to remove any water filter. So if your machine uses a water filter, remove it before descaling. Just remove the water tank, take out your filter cartridge. If it's installed, refill the tank with fresh water. Then the next step would be to prepare the descaling solution. Dissolve the descaling tablets in water according to the instructions on the package. And then after that, fill a container with warm water, remove the required number of tablets and pour the solution into your Jura water tank. So you just do this or follow this process and then either place your machine parts here or pour it into the tank. All right, so the next step is now starting the descaling program. Use your machine's maintenance menu to start the descaling cycle. So open your machine's menu, navigate to the maintenance or care, and then select descaling and confirm when prompted. The exact menu names vary by model, but most Jura machines include a guided descaling program. And then the next step would be to simply place a container under the spouts, a large container under the coffee machine, position it there, and then turn on the hot water spouts. Place a container beneath the outlets, allow the machine to run automatically, empty the container as needed during the process, and then rinse the water tank. When the descaling solution is finished, the machine will ask for fresh water, so make sure it's provided. The machine will then perform a rinse cycle to flush out any remaining descalers. And then the last step is to just finish the process by allowing the rinse cycle to complete. Empty the drip tray, empty the grout container if prompted, and reinstall the water cycle if you use one. Alright, guys.